الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم ويتفكرون في خلق السماوات والأرض ربنا
So guys, to be completely honest, this video is basically a waffle video, and what you can see on screen right now is PBL, it's problem-based learning.
Do you want the low molecular weight heparin with?
Now this is very specific to that of Queen Mary University of London, especially for medicine, and what they do is that they give you a scenario at the beginning of the week, and related to the content you're going to learn throughout the lectures, you have to sort of preempt the learning objectives. So whether that be the mechanism of low molecular weight heparin, atherosclerosis, or the pathophysiology, so on and so forth. So it's not too difficult, alhamdulillah, and there's a GP that is within the lecture who has the learning objectives, and you sort of need to guess them, and then by the end of the session the GP sort of confirms whether you have them or not. But alhamdulillah, wallahi, it's lovely. I find it pretty good, and the circular curriculum or the spiral curriculum that of Queen Mary University of London means that I don't really need to revise, so I'm sort of surviving, alhamdulillah. But yeah, man, just as with everything, and I try my best to find time to study, but I can't do it at home a lot of the time, so I need to go into that of university. And as with everything, there's balance, and being grateful for the ni'mah of Allah upon you, for you being able to study in peace. Reminds me of hadith of Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, where he says, أَفَلَا أَكُونُ عَبْدًا شَكُورًا, or كما قال النبي sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, that showing gratefulness to God at a time where he already knew that he was going to make it to paradise. The response was, should I not be a grateful slave? Which is, again, it just shows the attitude that Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam had to worship, you know, and it links back into last week's video. But yeah, man, wallahi, sometimes when I'm studying as well, I want to study Quran, and hence the segment I'm going to show you now is from Ustad Ashik's class at that of Darul Ummah Masjid in Shadwell, and it's going to be 7:30 from this week onwards, inshallah ta'ala. So I would say you can pop on and recite a page and whatever you find easy. But yeah, the rest of the video is going to be a recitation that I really want to have in the future, inshallah ta'ala. Then after that, just some of the recitations from that of the lesson. And this is just to show you that being in medicine doesn't mean that you're banging out work every single day. If the brothers nice you, the ISOC brothers with the notes, you're living. But if they don't, قدر الله وما شاء فعل.
ولكل أمة جعلنا منسكا ليذكروا اسم الله على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فإلهكم إله واحد فله أسلموا وبشر المخبتين الذين إذا ذكر الله وجلت قلوبهم والصابرين على ما أصابهم والمقيم الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والبدن جعلناها لكم من شعائر الله لكم فيها خير فاذكروا اسم الله عليها صواف فإذا وجبت جنوبها فكلوا منها وأطعموا القانع والمعتر كذلك سخرناها لكم لعلكم تشكرون.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض.
أرض بالتضاد الأفولة أنا باللغة والأرض.
ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وكان الله عزيزا حكيما. إنا أرسلناك شاهدا ومبشرا ونذيرا لتؤمنوا بالله ورسوله وتعزروه وتوقروه وتسبحوه بكرة وأصيلا إن الذين يبايعونك إنما يبايعون الله يد الله فوق أيديهم فمن نكث فإنما ينكث على نفسه ومن أوفى بما عاهد عليه الله فسيؤتيه أجرا عظيما
ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض ولئن سألتهم من خلقهم ليقولن الله فأنى يؤفكون وقيله يا رب إن هؤلاء قوم لا يؤمنون فاصفح عنهم وقل سلام فسوف يعلمون.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ويسألونك عن الجبال فقل ينسفها ربي نسفا فيذرها قاعا صفصفا لا ترى فيها عوجا ولا أمتا يومئذ يتبعون الداعي لا عوج له وخشعت الأصوات للرحمن فلا تسمع إلا همسا وخشعت الأصوات للرحمن فلا تسمع إلا همسا يومئذ لا تنفع الشفاعة إلا من أذن له الرحمن ورضي له قولا يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون به